Techno India University Kolkata, established in 2012, has a rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com. TIU Kolkata offers a unique 6-year integrated BTech program starting right after 10th grade. Let's start by looking at placements rated 3.5 stars. The highest package in 2020-2021 was 25 lakh per annum with an average of around 5 lakh per annum. Companies like Google, HDFC Bank, Deloitte, IBM, Accenture, TCS, Wipro, Cognizant and Microsoft have been part of the placement drives. In comparison to other institutions, TIU matches Narola Institute of Technology with an average package of 5 lakh per annum but falls behind University of Engineering and Management and Netaji Subhash Engineering College. Roles offered typically include software engineers and data analysts. Internships are provided from the 6th semester onwards with opportunities at top companies. TIU features 11 specializations such as CSE, CSBS, ECE, EE, Civil, Mechanical, Biotechnology, Chemical and Agriculture Engineering, including 2 sub-specializations in CSE and Mechanical. The BTech program has a total intake of 420 students. Admission requires at least 45% marks in 10 plus 2 and performance in entrance exams like WB JEE, JEE Main or TNJEE. For the 2023 WB JEE cutoffs, Techno India University has more relaxed scores compared to 2022 except for biotechnology where the competition is tougher. Interestingly, it is more challenging to secure admission in Narola Institute of Technology, Kolkata compared to Techno India University. The fees per semester is 79,000, totaling 6.32 lakhs for the course. Scholarships are available through a mega talent hunt program offering full and half fee waivers. Students rate the value for money at 3.6 stars, reflecting a decent ROI aligning with the average salary offered. Moving on down to infrastructure that has been rated 3.9 stars by students with a compact yet well-equipped campus. Facilities include laboratories, a library, cafeteria, hostel and sports complex. Hostels offer both air-conditioned and non-air-conditioned rooms. The campus also features air-conditioned classrooms and Wi-Fi. Now let's turn our attention to the faculty and course curriculum, which are rated 4 stars. Students appreciate the highly educated and supportive faculty, noting their effective teaching methods and availability. The curriculum is well structured and up to date, preparing students effectively for the industry. TIU has a rating of 4 stars for its campus life. Let us delve into it further. Campus supports life skill development through various student clubs including NSS, dance, music, quiz and debating societies. These clubs organize annual festivals, competitions, exhibitions and workshops promoting unity, creativity and practical skills while making events accessible to the public. TIU hosts Sahotsava, its annual cultural fest. TIU is currently unranked in the NIRF ranking as of now. For more details on Techno India University Kolkata and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.